everyone. So I'm making this quick video to explain my open source project, Everyday Ready. The title just comes to make a little difference from everyday carry. That is, as you know, when you carry items that you use every day, and Everyday Ready, it's for items using a critical situation that might save your life. Before I start, there's no ammo on the table. All weapons haven't been cleared, so just to be safe. So 2 or 3 years ago, T.Rex Arms came out with their new Sidecar, the 2.0, and they make the files available for everyone to make their own stuff to use it. So, for example, here I have the weapon holster with their own belt clip, and this one you just remove the rod and replace it with something like the spare magazine holder. And they also, on the website, they have the torniquet right here. It's a little bulky if you ask me. So when they came out with this, I wanted to make a holster for my dagger. So that's where I designed the first item they're gonna show you. This one right here. So it'll be the weapon, the dagger holster, and you can use the belt clip, but I'm gonna show it to you with the spare magazine, like this. So it doesn't take much space in your body. And also, since I changed weapons to one with a red dot on it, I designed a second item that is a little offset to the left. So it lets you clear your weapon when you draw. So let me show you that next. This one right here. So it'll be the weapon, the offset dagger holster. See, even though it's a little wide, it still is comfortable to use. So, and a new company came out with the new tourniquet, the one that is 1.5 inches, and another one that is 1 inch. And since it's almost the same measurements as this one right here, this holster for the dagger, I designed a holster for the tourniquet. So it'll be this one right here, the new tourniquet. So it'll be weapon, tourniquet, and whatever you want to put next to it. So if you don't believe that it takes almost no space in your body, I'm gonna show it to you, as I am carrying one right now with the Xmacro. So it's weapon, no problem at drawing, the dagger holster, spare magazine, and so all files are gonna be available for you to modify, download it, and 3D print it. But also gonna make available a link to the company that I use to 3D print my stuff, adding a $7 to the price of it. So if you wanna go the simpler, easy way, you don't wanna fiddle with it. So, and one more thing before I finish this video, I made a third item. This probably is one that is gonna have the more negative comments, which is the holster for the tourniquet and the dagger. So you're carrying a weapon, holster for the tourniquet, dagger, and a spare magazine. So if you want to comment on it and criticize it, please justify why you're saying what you're saying, and what's another option, a better option, so we can all win from this experience. So hope you guys like the video and start playing with the stuff that I'm making available for you guys, and hopefully there's more stuff coming, and for that I'm also adding a link for a donation if you want to help out. So that's it. Thank you for watching.